In conclusion, one thing you can do is you can volunteer to be an expert to be interviewed on a blog or a podcast. And one of the ways you can find out about individuals looking for sources is to use a website called Help a Reporter. If you go to your favorite search engine, if you type in the words HARO, Help a Reporter out, you will find out about HARO. It's here where you can go through a process to become a source for potential journalists and podcasters. Once you register, you will get emails 3 times a day from individuals looking for sources to be interviewed on specific topics. If your area of expertise intersects with that topic, you can be an expert in those places. Now, depending on your area of expertise, you can also look to a similar site called PropNet, and PropNet is designed to connect journalists to expert sources. Now, PropNet is a membership, and you'll need to undertake the request for information process to become a source. In a recent blog post written by the founder of a website called justreachout.io, it is suggested that you enter the following hashtags into Twitter: journal request, radio guest list, or PR request. And by using the hashtag, you will be able to find individuals looking to talk to experts about specific topic areas. So you will want to use all 3 hashtags in order to locate the right opportunities. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I'll see you either in another video or in another course.